Hello all, this is Vishnu. My topic label for section 2 is journalism and the topic label is data journalism. There are two reasons why I got attracted to this topic. The first one, to know how the traditional journalism is different from that of data journalism. It turned out data journalism is similar to journalism. It's just that the former is a new and a trendy way of describing journalism in this modern world. Data journalism is an art of turning numbers and spreadsheet into a more fascinating story. The second reason was to know the role played by data analytics in the field of journalism. As you know, the number of crime, corruption, and natural disasters are increasing day by day, and we feel like the world is coming to an end. Maybe that's not really true. Maybe it's just that we are getting to know more of what is happening around us, all thanks to data. Source is always a key to journalists, which will help them to come up with some great stories. As the data is easily accessible, so are the sources. Let me just tell about one of the example. One of the biggest data journalism project called Panama Paper, which revealed some of the shocking instances with over 2.6 TB of data leaked. There was a Panama based company, which helped the MNCs and high net worth individual to save their money from paying taxes by helping them to invest their money in some fake company in the tax haven countries. In short, they helped them in converting their black money into white. Many big shots, including former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif, was caught in this act, along with many celebrities. The similar incident occurred called Paradise Paper, with around 1.4 TB data being leaked. Due to all these scandals, the government is now more aware. They are awake. They have started many global measures to stop or to decrease the money laundering or the tax saving techniques. It seems very easy, but it's not that easy to interpret or to process this big data, as the journalists are not expert in this field. But at the same time, the world is revolutionizing. Data journalism will tell us not only who said what journalism, but also what is the fact journalism. It will help us it will give us more reliable, more verifiable news. It will help the public to know more than before. It will help the society to function better and to live a better life. Thank you.